So let's start by looking at the market from the macro angle. Whatever the market you want to go into, you need to understand how attractive this market is. And talking about market attractiveness, we look at things like the potential customers which you are able to find within that market. Sometimes you could look at it from aggregate money spent in that particular sector. You can even look at it from the number of, or the amount of importation in that particular sector, or a combination of all of this. What market attractiveness is going to show you is there enough customers in this sector, in this market? Does it make sense to go in there? How attractive is this particular market? And so that gives you a feel on how large you can play. Understanding how large the market is makes a whole lot of difference, even in the strategy which you will adopt. But beyond the size of the market, you also need to do some trend analysis. Is the market you are looking at, is it a growing market or is it a declining market? It doesn't matter whether it is growing or declining, it's just that the strategy is different. You know, a classic example for me is if you're going on the sea and then there's a wave. Now, if there is a wave, there is a different way of navigating. You don't navigate the same way when you are riding with the tide or against the tide. Beyond the trend, you should also look at the nature of the market. Look at the demographic nature in terms of age and location. Sometimes you can even look at the seasonality. Those of us in the school business, you know that it is not every day of the year that people are in school. So at best they are in school for 9 months and then they go away for 3 months on their long vacation. What do you do when they are away? Even when they are in school, they close some 2 o'clock, some 3, maybe 4. What happens after that? Because there is still enough capacity in terms of building or whatever you can do once they close. That's why some people will do after school lessons or whatever you may call it, because they want to get the best out of the physical assets which they have. So think, in this market you're about to go into, the demography of it, the seasonality, and what you can do about it. In short, what we are talking about here is, are we swimming with or against the tide? That's about the market at the macro level.